Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you all are fine by God's grace. So today's video I will be showing you how to use carrots and Vaseline for hair growth and also moisturize your hair and also help you to retain length. So here is my carrots already grated, so I'm just going to put that inside my jug just like so. So now I just put it inside my jug. So the next thing is my coconut oil. So guys, if you don't like to use coconut oil on your hair, you can also use like olive oil or avocado oil. So now I'm going to be adding the Vaseline. So this is the one with aloe vera. So if you have any other one that have any other ingredients with it, you can also use it. So now I'm going to be adding that Vaseline inside my jug. So if there's any need for me to add more, so I'm also going to add more later if I feel like it's not enough. So yeah, so now I'm just going to add that inside. As you can see me doing it, then I will just go and put it on hot water for some minutes. So that is how it's looking like now. As you can see, the color of carrot is already inside, but the benefit is not there yet, just the color, because I don't allow it to sit for a long time. Now I'm going to be infusing this for like a week. So yeah, I'll be infusing this for a week. Then I'll be putting it on hot water every day on a very low heat, so that the carrot can release the nutrient inside the oil. Okay, so this product is so amazing. You can use it as a scalp massage, you can use it to moisturize your hair, you can use it in anyhow you want to use it, as a pre-put treatment, hot oil treatment. So guys, this is 7 days later. As you can see now, my the oil is ready. You can see the carrot is not fresh like before. You can tell now that the benefit is there now. So I'm going to use my strainer to strain out the oil just like so. Okay, so now I'm just going to allow the oil to come out. You can press it if you want water to be inside your oil. So if you don't want any water, just allow the grease to come out on its own just like so, and there will be no water inside your product. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you as well. So now this is how the Vaseline and carrot and coconut oil is looking like now. So I'm going to add essential oil. This is sweet orange oil. You can also use this on your face if you want. You can use it on your whole body. It's very fine because Vaseline helps to keep your skin moisturized, help to seal in moisture on your skin. So I add lavender, I add tree tea, because tree tea is also good for the skin. I also add lemon essential oil, because lemon is also good for your skin, for your hair as well. Then I will just mix everything together like so. Then I'm going to transfer it inside my jug. This is my container, so I'm going to transfer it inside my container like this. So guys, this product is so amazing and it smells so nice. It smells so good, like carrot, the Vaseline have a very nice smell. So with the essential oil on it, really make it a lot different. And for your hair as well, your hair is going to be smelling so nice. So guys, now I have my product here. As you can see, this is going to be so good when you use it on your hair and also on your scalp, because carrot is one product that is so amazing for hair growth. It also has shine to your hair. It can also prevent your hair from falling. It can also promote your hair growth because it have vitamin in it that are good for our hair to grow faster, stronger and longer, and also keep your hair moisturized and help you to retain length as well. So now I just wash my hair here, so I'm going to use this on my hair. So I will be using it alongside with just water. So if you want to use it with a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer, you can also use it with it, but today I just want to use it with just water alone. So yeah. So guys, after putting my hair on a protective style, this is how my hair is looking right now. My hair is so moisturized and soft. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye, stay blessed and be happy.